Sa ibang balita, posible umanong hindi matuloy ang impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte sakaling abutan ito ng pagpapalit ng susunod na Kongreso sa Hunyo.
Dahil while the Senate is a continuing body under our Constitution, the House is not.
Yeah.
The House is not. So with the elections that is scheduled in May this year, we will have a completely new set of representatives in the House of Representatives. The 19th Congress House of Representatives will pass out of existence. Hindi po continuing body ang lower house.
Yeah.
Paliwanag ni Ascuna na kasaad sa konstitusyon na kung sino ang naghain ng impeachment, dapat sila ang manguna rito.
Pagdating ng eleksyon, papalitan sila lahat. Maaring ma-re-elected din yung 250 na yon, maaring hindi. Kahit na ma-re-elected sila, they will be under a new mandate.